how y'all. Today we are going to see a new part in part design using Catia v5 software application. So let's get started. Before getting started, please subscribe to my channel. Let's learn. So this is the part we are going to see in this video. Check the dimensions and study the part carefully. You can also take the screenshot of the part and then further you can draw this. And this is the screen you can see. You can say it's an interface. You have to select the plane, then click on the sketch button, and this will convert into 2D. Now we are going to draw a rectangle as shown in the figure, and we are going to draw the bottom figure. We are going to move forward. So we are going to draw a rectangle and give the dimension of the base, that's 52.8 mm for the length and 17 mm for the height, and we'll just zoom it in. And after you complete it, just click on the exit workbench part and then pad it. You can also revolve it according to your need. After padding, you have to give the height, it's 12 mm, and click on OK. So you can see the block has been created. Now just click on the face you are going to draw the further part. Now just zoom it in. You can see the further part is that hole, or you can say that the excluded part. Just create that. So first I'm going to draw a line, so select the line option and then just give a constant. I'm just giving it 8.4 for the top view. You can see the top view length is about 8.4. We have to create a pocket. So you can see the pocket is of a height 8.4 and the length is 2.15 plus for one side, the 4.3 is for the one. So just give the length, it's about 15.65, and just give the height 8.4, or you can just increase it to give a proper pocket. And you can just mirror it. Now click on mirror, so it will be divided into two equal parts, symmetrical as it's symmetrical, and then connect the two lines. Always remember that you have to connect the lines properly, and if these lines are not connected, then your profile will not be created or your pocket won't be created. So exit the workbench again. As you can see that the rectangle has been created. So now click on the pocket option. Now give the height or expected pocket length or height. So the height is 12 minus 6.3, so just give it 12 minus 6.3 and click on OK button. Now you can see that the pocket has been created. Now the further part is very important. Now just click on the face and create another rectangle. So you can see that there is another rectangle. So we have to create another rectangle, and we have to create another pocket in that. So first create a rectangle and give it length. Click on constant and just change the length. Say 27.2. I just missed. Okay, 27.2. Click on OK, and then click on the other side and just give the dimension. Check the dimension and just see the dimension, it's 8 point something, 8.6 divided by 2 for one side. Okay, I'm just confused right now. I'll just correct it. Okay, I've corrected it, and then we have to create another rectangle to create a pocket. So first I'll draw this and create a pad first, and then we'll create another pocket. So create a pad to 8 mm. As you can see, the height is 8 mm. So click on OK, and you can see that the pad has been created. Now select another face, first surface, and then just create a rectangle. The final step, create a rectangle, and then you can see you have to create a pocket now. So calculate the dimension accordingly, and then create a pocket. So I'll just give the dimension now. Okay, the dimension is about 20. Okay, the length is 20. And just create a pocket up to that surface. Next surface, or you have to give the dimension. Oh, let's see the up to next option, whether it works or not. No, it's creating the hole in that. So we'll just click on Ctrl Z and reconstruct it. Okay, we'll create up to surface. No, it's not working till now. So we'll just give it dimension up to plane. No, it won't work. So we have to create the dimension. So click on up to dimension and give the dimension up to which you are going to give the pocket. So let's see up to how much. Just panning it so that I can see it properly. So up to 20 mm depth we need that pocket. So okay, 20 minus 6.3 mm, that's the proper length. Just close this and click 20 minus 6.3 and click on OK. So here we go. Here is your component according to your drawing. So also you can give the color to this part. Click on that part and just give the color. There's a dialog box. You can change the color according to your need, according to your requirement, according to your feel. So this is the component you can see, and this is the component I've drawn. So if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you have any queries you can comment, or you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook. Check out the playlist for Catia tutorials, and you can also watch various videos on engineering. And thank you for watching this video, and you can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Here is the link for my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/letuslearnindia, and you can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is ismailis_007, and you can subscribe my channel if you like my video.